This is our celebrity version here, the body wave texture. The point is, I want to show you the fullness at the end. It's very full, and I show you 3 different sizes. This one is 18 inch, and this one is 24 inch, and this one is the 26 inch. And I will measure the hair for you. You check the size, the fullness at the end to see how much proportion it has at the end. This one is 18 inch, you see. You see? A lot. We still have a lot of hair, 18, and it comes to 19. This one 18, and the middle one, this one is 24 inch. Check the proportion. 24, you see? Lot of hair, you see, it comes to 25. Let me show you again. You see, a lot of hair, and comes to 25. A lot. This is 24. This one is 26. Let me measure for you. 26. Still a lot of hair, and it comes to 27. You check the big difference between our hair and other vendors' hair. It's very full. This one, and very natural. This one, it lasts very long time. You can color it very well, and we have the closure and the frontal to match this celebrity version here. Very full. Check this one, also very full at the end. This one, see, you see the fullness. So you see this one, and we have the 13x4 lace frontal to match the celebrity version here. Bundles, you see, very nice. And we have the pre-plucked hairline and some baby hair all around the hairline. This one, very nice. Our celebrity version here, body wave, lasts very long time. You can color it, bleach the color very well.